Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get My Eyes Only feature on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now swipe up and tap on camera roll. Now select a few pictures and tap on hide at the bottom of the screen and it will take you to My Eyes Only. Now tap on quick setup. Now create a password. Confirm your password and here it will show you your passcode. Now mark the checkbox and tap continue. And your setup is complete. Now tap on finish. Now enter your passcode to access your My Eyes Only. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.